this problem is asking us to do is put this expression into standard form. Well, a couple things we need to know. First thing, we need to know that standard form is a plus bi. I don't like that. Let's see if this one's better. So where a represents your real number and b is going to represent your imaginary number. Now what we have is we don't have an I. We have an I squared and an I cubed. So I guess I'll do a little overview of what is I. Well, we're going to let I represent square root of -1 because we can't take the square root of a negative number, and so we're going to have I represent the square root of -1. If I was to multiply by I on both sides, I would get I squared equals, if I represents square root of -1, square root of -1 times square root of -1 would be the square root of -1 squared. So therefore, those are canceled out, and I'm left with -1. You can work it out, just square both sides and you'll see it. Then if I was to multiply I on both sides again, I would get I cubed. I squared times I is I cubed. -1 times I would be a negative I. I to the fourth equals, again, we'd have a square root of, we'll do a negative, I squared. So we'd have negative I squared, which would be the negative and the -1 would cancel out to give you a positive 1. So I'm not going to spend working over there. I have videos on how to show that. I want to spend time on working this, how to work this problem in standard form. So I need to get it into a real number and an imaginary number. Right now I have two i's. Well, what I can do is I can re-represent my I squared and my I cubed. So my I squared can represent as -1 minus 2 times I cubed, which is negative I. Therefore, now this becomes a -4 plus 2i. Now my problem is in standard form with my a as my -4 and my imaginary b as 2.